friends, I'm showing you an app called Mind Calculator. It's a game app, but it's helpful for your calculations. So it will improve fast calculating. It has three options: basic calculator, basic calculation, and advanced calculation. And one is to change the settings and to give you the information about all. So let's go to basic calculations. Here you have addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and all operations together. That means all these four you will be getting in a jumbled manner. And another tab is for high scores. Let us see how it works. So for addition, you will get the addition, but a timer will be given, and each and every addition is carrying 0.1. So you need to do it within the time. And you score 1 point for each correct calculation within the time. Say the answer, yeah. If you want to do it with only calculating the units digit, mind it, you may get option with the same unit digits. So that time you need to do the full calculation. Okay? So it's better you practice a proper calculation, proper addition. I mean, you do it completely. That will be helpful for you. Like over here, 51 and 61, both were there. So you need to choose the correct option. So for that, it's better that if you calculate whole, it will be helpful. Okay, there will be ads. There will be ads. You have to be patient. Whenever you see this cross or the arrow, you click on it, it will go off. Similarly, you have subtraction, multiplication, division, and let us go to all operation. Here everything will be jumbled up, so you are not sure what's going to come next. Like I got a division after this, so you may get addition, subtraction also. Yeah, see, it has come. Yeah, subtraction. So that's good for you to practice well. What's the answer? Yeah. Okay, now let us go to something else. I'm just typing a wrong answer. Yeah, we all know it's 12. Okay, so here you will get the high scores of each and every operation. Okay, now before showing high scores, let me go to advanced calculation. Here you will get advanced calculation, remind and add, find sequence, find an alternative, advanced sequence, and then the high score. I'll show you the high score at last. So in advanced calculation, you will have to use BODMAS rule. There will be bracket and operations within and outside of it. So you know you need to do the calculation within bracket first and then the one that is outside. Just applying the BODMAS rule that you know. So here obviously you get 6 if you solve the bracket, and then plus 12 will give you 18. Like this you have to proceed. I'm just doing a wrong one to stop this. Okay. Whenever you will get the arrow, just click on it. Ads will be there. Yeah, I got a cross, and sometimes arrow comes, then the cross comes. Let's go to remind and add. It's like you have to start it, and then at least three numbers will be shown back to back, which you have to remind and add them up. Then you have to mark the correct answer. So 20 plus 19 plus 8. That's like, it will go like this. Say the answer. Okay. Now next we have find sequence. This is interesting. You have to understand the sequence that is given and how the calculation is going on. So for the first and second term, I can see it has been increased by 5. Yeah. Then again 5. Then again 5. So I have to increase the sequence by 5. How much will be? Correct. So you have to do it within the time. Now this is 1 what you have to understand the calculations that they have done in the sequence. Sequence means only following a pattern, and you have to write, or you have to choose the next term. Try this. Any idea? Yes. How much we are subtracting it with? 8. Correct. So if you subtract 72 minus 8, how much you will get? Yeah, you can do it in part by part. 72 minus 2, so 70, and then minus 6. So how much? 64. Correct. Like this you have to do. I'm trying to proceed it fast. Okay. Next we have find an alternative. So in find an alternative, there will be given an expression with an operation. Like I got an arrow, I just clicked on it, you have seen. Okay, now here you will get a countdown and then an arrow. Whatever it comes, just focus on that and click it. As will be there. Yeah, as I was saying, here you will get an expression with an operation. You will get a result of it, but you have to choose an other expression which will give this exact same result. So you can do this in many ways. One way is you find the result of the given expression and then just match by finding all the results of the options, but that will take a long time, and we know we have timer. We can't give so much time. There is other way to just modulate or transform the terms. Just adding or subtracting something from the terms, you will get the term that you have in the option. Suppose I have 29 and 14 over here. If I add something in 29, I need to subtract the same in 14, but from 14, right? Then only I'll get the same answer. I'll explain again this thing in much detail in some other video. Okay? Any guess what will be the answer? Okay, like this you have to do. Next you have advanced sequence. Here again it's a sequence which you have to identify, but here you will get a more calculative sequence. So you need to understand the calculation very well, what they have done. Okay, I'll explain you this later on. Let us proceed. Next tab, you will get high score of each and every operations, each and every game that you have, each and every calculations that you have done, the tabs that there are. You will get high score of each of them separately. That's all, and it's a very helpful app to speed up your mental calculations. Try this app. I think it will be helpful for you.